What up, Facebook fam? Jessica Payne here. The sun is setting nicely here in California. I thought I'd jump on today in a very casual end of day live. I'm actually live broadcasting through the Facebook Creator app, which I will teach you about this week. Hey Karen, what's up? If you guys need a amazing Facebook ads guru, Karen Newland is now watching. Quick shout out. So guys, thanks for joining me live and on the replay. I'm jumping on really quickly today because it's kind of a special day. I'm thrilled to announce that Live Show Mastery, the course that I've been working on forever, is now live, is now enrolling. So what you can do now is click on the big fat blue button on my profile and sign up. There you can find out more information. But essentially, Live Show Mastery is something I've been working on for the last 5-6 months or so. It teaches you how to go live on Facebook in minutes and then produce a professional level show month after month to grow your business. So it's what I like to say, it's a course and it's a private community rolled into one. So you're going to get awesome stuff every single month, front loaded up to you, toolkits, tips, tricks. But then on top of that, you're going to get in a private Facebook group community that I run, where I'm going to actually be sending you a ton more content, where there's going to be live tutorials and workshops, and essentially you're going to be able to host your own professional live content on Facebook and other social media, frankly, just like the pros, in a way that I learned how to do that's super, super simple, so that you can start to use it to market your brand, your organization, get new clients, grow your business, whatever. So now, as of today, the course is now open and enrolling. So, and as promised, because you have expressed so much interest in it, whether it's through this page or my list, I now have a special offer going. So if you use the promo code GOLIVENOW, which I've included in the links, you get a month free. How cool is that? Isn't that cool? But, so if you're interested, stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot of activity on the page for that this week. But I also wanted to give you a heads up, because twice this week, starting tomorrow, which, as you know, is my regular air time and day for my show, Jessica Payne Live, tomorrow at 8 a.m. and Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific time, I'm going to be doing little mini workshops, and I'm going to walk you through how to go live on Facebook. Super, really, really simple, top line 3 steps. So 3 myths and 3 tips is what I'm going to show you, okay? So it's just my way of, whether you enroll in my course or not, everyone can learn how to go live with confidence using these tips. How does that sound? Does that sound good? It's just because I'm a little excited and thrilled to get this course finally up and running. I've been tinkering with it behind the scenes, and I just think that everyone can use this platform. I'm psyched for its potential, for sure. What up, Karen? Karen says, thanks for the shout out. You're an awesome Facebook Live expert. Aw, right back at you, girl. Hey, she taught me everything she knows about ads, and there's a ton I still don't know. So Karen is awesome. So this is a good example of how live. The biggest thing I've learned from going live on Facebook is there's a ton of support. Nothing has to be invented. All of the answers are out there. All of your clients are out there. All of your collaboration opportunities are out there. All of your partnership opportunities are out there. I think all of you have the potential to do really, really well on live, and I think it's got huge potential to actually just like knock your socks off. It's a lot easier than you think, but it's really, really intimidating. So that was another reason why I built this course. What up, Robert? Robert Stern. A great Facebook source as well. Speaking of partnerships, I teach with him in the private social power group, if you're interested in that. Robert hails from the East Coast, which just makes him awesome in general. But he too is someone that I met through the power of live streaming. So I wouldn't even know Robert without live streaming. So you're the Pied Piper of live streaming. I totally am, and I'm going to own that, Robert. I'm going to own that for sure. Yeah, I just like, who would have thought, 6-7 months ago when I was trying out live streaming. I have to say, it's really interesting to be on this side of it, because I almost quit social media. Like, I guess I can just be upfront and admit that. And social media is like my bread and butter, you guys. I'm a social media strategist. But I was so just frustrated and tired because I was watching my own engagement for my own business dwindle. And I was like, should I just focus on brand or website? You know, I can just switch to that revenue. I was like, social media, I'm done with you. Mostly on Facebook. But then a friend encouraged me to try live streaming, and it kind of took off from that. So the cool thing about live streaming is it's still in its infancy. So I think it's anybody's game, but we're already seeing some bad apples. So that's another reason why I kind of push this course forward, because I don't think it's fair to make it so hard or so intimidating for people to go live. Plus, selfishly, I just think more empowered and positive voices need to dominate social media right now. So it's kind of my own mission there. Live streaming dragged her back to the black hole. It totally did. I'm sure there's like a Star Trek reference I can make. I would never call live streaming like the Borg, but Karen, chime in. I know you track that too. But yeah, it did. Live streaming, it's like it brought me back in. What's that saying? Just when I thought I was out. But I have to say, live streaming actually made me fall back in love with social media. I was like, I'm done with you. At least for a while. I was seriously considering giving it a break, at least until like we figured out what the heck was wrong with Facebook, which now we've discovered Zuckerberg was up to something the whole time. Oh, and that's another question I get on the course is I talk about Facebook Live, but honestly, the same strategies can be used for other channels, like where live or real-time content can help drive engagement. So Twitter, Instagram as well. So, and Snapchat, to be fair. If you're looking to drive conversation and action on your page or your profile, we start with Facebook because I think everyone can learn from Facebook and use it, but you can use the same strategies on other tools. So, yeah. Guys, I'm super psyched. Super psyched about this course. So if you have any questions, and this was me just jumping on really quick just because I couldn't not say anything, because I got a couple questions from the posts I'm putting up. So I have a post that's up today, and it'll be up all week, talking about kind of my backstory of why I created Live Show Mastery. I'll be doing 2 workshops again if you're just joining. Tomorrow at my regularly scheduled time for Jessica Payne Live, I'll be using that time to walk through what I say three myths and 3 tips for going live on Facebook. So again, whether you want to enroll in the course or not, I think everyone I talk to in terms of social media has some interest in live. So we'll talk about live for an hour, and then I'll talk a little bit about the course. And then if you can't make it tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific, then I'm doing another one Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific. And if you can't make that one either, drop me a DM and we'll chat. But what you can do is I have both of those live streams scheduled on my page. So if you are on my page, just go to the one, scroll down, and you can actually click a button that says Get Reminder, so that when I go live, you'll see it on your desktop. How's that sound? Does that sound good? That's a lot of information for the day after the Super Bowl. I understand that some of you might be hungover. It's fine. But some of you might be very happy. Some of you might be very upset. Mostly for U.S. viewers that might be tuning in. Those folks in the UK are like, we don't care about American football. But anyway, I'm very conscious of what today is. But anyway, so I'm going to sign off. I'm going to let you guys all have your evening. But yeah, exciting times over here. I'm super thrilled. If you've given me support in the past for launching the course, I just want to say thank you. It's been fun. The course is evolving. I mean, right now I'm going to jump into the page and put some more content in the exclusive group. So there's a ton of content sitting there waiting, a ton of live workshops, a ton of templates and whatnot waiting for you there. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow morning my time. Otherwise, if you have any questions about the course, you can always DM me here, drop me an email, or click through and contact me through the website there. All right, guys, have a beautiful, is it still Monday? Have a beautiful Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye, y'all.